Hello friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I'm going to share a very interesting recipe. It's called bitter gourd, bitter melon, or in Indian language you can call it as a karela. As a child, I used to literally run away from this vegetable because it is so bitter in taste. But now if you ask me, I just love it. I will have it every day if you cook it the way I'm going to show you the recipe. So let me show you how to make a bitter gourd melon recipe, very tasty and very yummy. So let's start the making process of bitter gourd melon. So I've got a nice pan on the stove, and then I've added some cooking oil, any vegetable oil you can use, or if you want you can use olive oil as well. So the oil has heated up a little bit. So for this, what I'm going to add first to start with, I'm going to add some nice red onions, finely chopped red onions, and I'm going to fry this until really nice and brown. So this bitter gourd recipe, what I'm going to show you today is going to be a fry, not a curry. It is going to be a fry, and it's going to taste so yummy that you will just fall in love with this recipe today. So I've added the red onion. So let's add some salt so that it will cook faster. So I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add a bit of a turmeric as well, and let's fry this onion until it caramelizes and nice and brown. So while the onion is cooking away, I'm going to cut the bitter melon into nice finely chopped pieces. So we'll just leave it on a high, the onion, for it to be cooked, and let's start cutting the bitter melon. So let me start cutting the bitter melon. So I'm going to cut the edges, and let's cut it like this. And as you can see, these seeds, I'm going to take these seeds out because the seeds are not going to taste good at all. So let's start taking this out. Scoop it out with a nice sharp spoon, or you can use the knife. So I'm going to chop them into very fine thin pieces, so that whatever I'm adding later on, it's going to all the pieces are going to suck up all the spices and all that, and they are going to taste very nice. So try to slice them as fine as possible. And do you know, the bitter gourd has got so many health benefits. To start with, the first main benefit is for the people who's got diabetes. They say usually bitter gourd is a really great vegetable to have. Some people do make a juice out of the bitter gourd and just drink the raw juice. I know it's going to be so bitter, but you can make it like this, the way I'm making it, fry, and then you can have it. It's got a lot of vitamins and nutrients, and they say it's good for people who are going through cancer and chemo. So it's got a really good health benefits. So try to cook the way I'm going to show you today. I'm sure you're all going to love this recipe. And please do put your comments once you tried the recipe to see whether you guys all liked it or not. So let's look at the onions. Have a look at this. Have a look how nicely caramelized these onions are. They are cooked to perfection. So to this, what I'm going to add is, I'm going to add a little bit of dry mango powder. It's called amchur. As I say that this recipe I've been tried and trialed and get some tips from the friends and modify it according to my liking. So that's a bit of amchur powder, dry mango powder. To this I'm going to add fennel seed powder. Just a little bit. You don't want to overpower the fennel taste to it. And I'm going to add finely chopped bitter melon. You can see how nicely finely chopped these are. So they are going to cook faster. And let me add a chili powder to this as well. Any chili powder will do. I'm adding a Kashmiri red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. So I'm going to just cover this in a slow flame for 10 minutes. Let's come back and have a look at it in 10 minutes time. So it's been 10 minutes, so let's have a look at it to see how it's going. So it's been 10 minutes, it's cooking up nicely. So to this, what I'm going to add, this is an optional anyway. I'm going to add some pine nuts. These are pine nuts, they are my favorite. So I'm just going to add them. This is again, I said it's optional. If you have, you add them. Otherwise, you don't need to. But they're going to catch the bitterness from the bitter Karela, and they're going to taste so yummy. To this, I'm going to add brown sugar. So either you can add a brown sugar or you can add palm sugar. I'm using a brown sugar. So I'm just going to add a little bit of brown sugar just to kill that bitterness. And let's mix it all up again. And I have turned the stove on to high again. I want the sugar to melt down faster and caramelize the whole Karela pieces. To this I'm going to add nice freshly chopped green coriander, a bit of it. I'll leave some for the garnishing later. And I'm going to keep stirring it for 5 minutes while it's on a high flame. And here it is, it's almost done. It looks nice and done, very well done. So I'm going to turn off the stove right now and then start plating this yummy bitter melon fry. So let me just plate it out for you guys right now. So here it is, yummy and tasty bitter melon fry. You watched it how easy it is with the simple ingredients and how to make change the taste of the bitter melon into a yummy and very interesting recipe. I hope you all enjoyed today's bitter melon recipe. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. So I'll be seeing you soon.